It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 25th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking active tonight. It now looks like the chance of severe storms has certainly increased since we spoke this morning. Colder air comes back later this week, but let's dive into it and talk about it. There's the upper air look today. A very deep trough coming out of the southwest United States, producing a wide variety of inclement weather for the central and eastern U.S. in coming days. There's the visible satellite view. Got some breaks in the cloud cover. We have a mixture of clouds and sunshine across the state. And so far, not much rain, just some patchy light rain. We do notice some heavier thunderstorms developing in parts of eastern Arkansas and northern Louisiana. And those will likely continue to increase and move in here later tonight. As expected, a very mild afternoon for most of the state. The exception is Gadsden. They've got 55 with a wedge. But look on the western side of the state. Demopolis flirting with 80. They've got 77. Utah 75. Tuscaloosa 73. Colder air will come back later this week on Thursday. And around the region, Dothan 78. New Orleans 77. Very much like a spring day there. But to the north, it is not like spring. Winter storm warnings in effect for a lot of locations. First off, in the southern mountains of Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, Nevada, California. And winter storm warnings in effect from northern Kansas to near Chicago. This is the forecast snow amounts, and you can see some spots maybe getting up to 1 foot over parts of southeastern Nebraska and Iowa with this system. And this is the brand new severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. And the SPC has introduced the standard slight risk. That's level 2 out of level 5 for areas north of a line from near Tuscaloosa to about Scottsboro. The areas in yellow, we have a marginal risk, level 1 out of 5, as far south as Jackson, Pike Road, and Auburn. And we'll talk more about the situation here in just a moment. Tomorrow, after 7 a.m., we have a marginal risk for parts of southeast Alabama, including Dothan, Ozark, and Andalusia. And then Wednesday, day 3, no severe weather is expected, although we'll have some rain at times. Speaking of rain, this is the precipitation for the next 7 days. The really big numbers are in California. And, of course, that's good news for a state that doesn't like drought. The mountains, the Sierra Nevadas, could just be slammed with 4 or 5 feet. With pretty heavy rain for the lower elevations. And around here, rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches are likely between now and the middle of this week. Will trend drier by Thursday and Friday. So let's go right to the high-resolution HURRD. This is valid this evening at 11. And on the front, you can see a band of showers and thunderstorms passing through northwest Alabama. The instability values are actually pretty robust for January, with values approaching 1,000 joules per kilogram through parts of west Alabama. So the instability is there. Shear values are not excessively high, but that certainly would support some rotating updrafts. And again, this is the updraft helicity product, suggesting, again, potential for a few rotating storms. There will be some warmer air aloft about 10,000 feet off the ground that might mitigate a big problem tonight. But if the updrafts can be sustained, we might have a tornado warning or two. So everybody needs to be in a position to hear warnings if they are needed tonight. I wouldn't call it a major event, but hey, if there's only one tornado in the whole state, that thing comes down your street, you know the deal. It's a major event. So the main window for the severe storms, I'd say between 7 p.m. and 2 a.m., that window. So this is the upper air look tomorrow. Big trough lifting out of the southwest. The front stalling out somewhere near Lafayette, Montgomery, Grove Hill. The better chance of rain south of that front. And we stay mild. We'll see highs around 70 in most spots tomorrow. This is Wednesday. A wave forms on the front. And that wave will be bringing rain to the state at times. Maybe snow north of Alabama, parts of Tennessee. But again, just periods of rain, especially Wednesday morning. And temperatures probably start to cool down. In fact, we might see falling temperatures during the day. And then Thursday, we're dry. We start the day around 30, the high 48 to 52. The sky will be sunny. And Friday will be in the 20s to start the day. Well below freezing, the high Friday mid-50s with sunny weather. Saturday, we're still dry. We'll call it partly sunny, the high close to 60, the next system off to the west. And Sunday looks wet. Looks like that main rain with that next feature from roughly midnight Saturday night until noon Sunday. That seems to be the window. High Sunday will be in the 50s. And this is a week from today, Monday, the 1st of February, troughing to the east, and we are dry and cool. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 4th of February. Very deep trough in the Rocky Mountain states and a big storm system forming west of Alabama. Of course, this is 10 days out. This will change, but the pattern looks pretty active as we get into February with frequent rain-producing systems. And again, with this kind of trough configuration coming out of the west from time to time, that might open the door for a few more strong thunderstorm events. Snow, no, probably not. This is the snow output from the European. Just a little bit of noise out there in the longer range, but basically nothing. Rain for Birmingham from the European ensemble. The mean is about 3 inches between now and the 8th of February. Temperatures, we cool down Thursday, highs going back in the upper 40s, and after that, pretty seasonal most days, highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. And hot off the presses, the new CPC outlook for the 2nd through the 8th of February, suggesting temperatures here could be a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.